consider subscribing to my dinky little channel here. This was information that was very hard won on my end. Please subscribe. Yeah, there, I'm just going to do a quick video here. I'm in Khon Kaen, getting ready to pick up. My girlfriend and I are going to pick up her mom and her two boys at the train station, bus station. And we're in Khon Kaen. This is, you could predict this one, we're at 7-Eleven. No, I'm not addicted to 7-Eleven. Well, I might be, but they're everywhere here. I mean, there are some street corners that have 2 7-Elevens on each corner, so it's crazy, you know. You can just see down there. That's clouds in the background. It's not a mountain. It looks like a mountain in the video. It's just clouds. But it's pretty here, though. And this is Khon Kaen, and you can kind of see. This is a small road, and you can kind of see the heavy traffic. You know, not that Kalat doesn't have traffic and stuff, but not quite to this extent. The traffic in Kalat, I find sort of like a tiny palatable slice of big city life. Okay, there it is, now it's gone. And then you're back to the other roads that aren't that busy. Here it's kind of like this traffic on a secondary road is almost equal to what you would see it in Kalat on a primary road. I mean, not during rush hour maybe, but you know. And there's a cute little cute little lady and a cute little fried chicken stand back there. How's that? Yeah, definitely a cute little lady. And yeah, it's nice here. It's nice here. There's a sign there that says Johnny Walker. Why is there British rum or British whiskey? Right. Why is it so hard to do? Right there. Johnny Walker. Wonder why that's there. That's some lady. There are really attractive women here in Khon Kaen, I have to say that. Oh, there's a monk. You see the monk stand there, and they want this like dull orange color, like an earthy orange, right next to that cart. Yeah, right behind that silver truck. That's a monk back there. Let me see if I can. Oh no, I can't zoom in. I'll get the screen this way. I can't do that. Oh, there's Fawn. There's the other cute little lady. And another one. All right. Like popcorn around here. All right, gotta go. I'm driving to the train station. My girlfriend handed me a traditional Thai snack, some sticky rice package. I appreciate the orthogonality of this packaging, but sticky rice is delicious no matter how it's packaged. And then this is like, I don't know, it's like maybe deep fried chicken skin if I'm honest with myself. I prefer to think it's something else, but gosh dang it, it's tasty. And it's got like a little tiny bit of meat attached to the back of it. And it becomes like a hearty chip. And it's got like a Kentucky Fried Chicken sort of seasoning on it. Yeah. Damn thing's tasty. Yeah. Oh, Elmer. Gotta feed your Thai lady. Okay. Anyway, so, all right, off to the train. It is a train station, not a bus station.
Make YouTube เป็นที่
Well, that's the train station. Oh, here comes the train, I guess.
รถไฟอันนี้รถไฟความเร็วสูงไม่ใช่นี่
ตูหรอกธรรมดานี่แต่ว่ามัน
เลี้ยวซ้ายเข้าสู่รื่นรมย์1แล้วเลี้ยวขวาเข้าสู่ซอยหน้าเมืองเศษ21/1
นี่คือปลาอะไรอ่ะ
ปลาทะเลน้ำปลาน้ำจืดแดดเกลือเป็นไงดูปลากระทงหิน
เลี้ยวขวาเข้าสู่ซอยหน้าเมืองเศษ21/1แล้วจุดหมายของคุณจะอยู่ทางขวา
นี่ไงร้านนี่ไง
โอ้ชอบ
ปลาอันนี้ใช่ปลาไหนไฟฟ้า
หาที่จอดก่อน
ปลานี่ปลาอะไรเนี่ย
มุ่งหน้าทางเหนือไปตามรื่นรมย์1เข้าสู่20ซอยรื่นรมย์ถนนหน้าเมืองแล้วเลี้ยวซ้าย
แต่ว่าอันนี้ปลาอะไร
เดี๋ยวให้เอาปลาทะเล
เลี้ยวซ้ายไปยังรื่นรมย์
The next video will be at the breakfast restaurant.
Thank you for supporting my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.